On this day, June 21st, we honor and celebrate the rich cultures, traditions, and contributions of the First Nations, Inuit, and Métis peoples of Canada. National Indigenous Peoples Day is more than a celebration. It's a moment of reflection, recognition, and respect. It's a time to acknowledge the deep history of this land. Long before Canada became a country, long before borders were drawn, this land was home to thriving Indigenous nations. At the Black Bear Canadian Immigration Consulting, we believe in walking the path of truth, reconciliation, and inclusion. As we help newcomers build new lives in Canada, we also honor the original stewards of this land, their wisdom, resilience, and enduring spirit. Let us all take this day to learn, to listen, and to support Indigenous voices. Because understanding the past is key to shaping a better, more just future together. From all of us at the Black Bear Canadian Immigration Consulting, we extend our deepest respect to Indigenous communities across Canada. Happy National Indigenous Peoples Day. May we all continue to walk in the spirit of learning, unity, and peace.